Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Finding broken links on a web page using Selenium in Java can be a useful task for web developers and testers. A broken link typically returns a 404 error or another HTTP error status code. In this tutorial, we will use Selenium WebDriver to automate the process of checking for broken links on a web page. Prerequisites: 1. Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have JDK installed on your machine. 2. Maven, we will use Maven to manage dependencies. 3. Selenium WebDriver, we need to include the Selenium dependency in our Maven project. 4. WebDriver for a browser, download the appropriate WebDriver for the browser you want to use, example Chrome driver for Google Chrome. Step 1. Set up Maven project. 1. Create a new Maven project in your favorite IDE, example intellij IDEA, Eclipse. 2. Add the following dependencies to your pom.xml file. Step 2. Write the code. Create a Java class, for example, brokenlinkschecker.java, and add the following code. Step 3. Run the code. 1. Make sure to replace path/to/Chrome driver with the actual path to the Chrome driver executable on your machine. 2. Change the URL in the URL variable to the web page you want to check for broken links. 3. Run the Java application. Explanation of the code. WebDriver setup: we initialize the Chrome driver and open the desired web page. Extracting links: we gather all anchor tags from the web page. Checking links: for each link, we extract the URL and check if it is broken using the isLinkBroken method. HTTP connection: this method attempts to connect to the URL and checks the response code. If the response code is 400 or above, it indicates a broken link. Output: the program prints out each broken link and the total number of broken links found. Conclusion: this simple tutorial guides you through finding broken links on a web page using Selenium WebDriver in Java. You can expand this code to handle more complex scenarios, like checking for links on multiple pages or exporting the results to a file. Always ensure to adhere to the website's robots.txt rules and terms of service when crawling through links.